Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the first in first out rule in forex trading. All right, that is the FIFO rule in forex trading. Now the FIFO rule, FIFO, it stands for first in first out, of course, and it's a regulation used by some brokers, especially in the United States. So what it means is simple. If you open multiple trades on the same currency pair, you must close the oldest trade first before closing newer ones. All right. Let's say you open 3 buy trades on XAU USD at different prices, right? Say you open a buy trade here, maybe here, maybe here, right? Different prices. If you want to close one position, you cannot close, or rather, you cannot choose the most recent one. You must close the first trade you opened. So let's say this was the first, then this was the second, this was the third, right? So you can't close this one first. You have to close this one first, right? First, second, third. Okay? So this rule can affect how you manage your trades, especially if you use strategies like scaling in or out, or if you open multiple entries at different levels. For example, some traders like to close partial positions at different times. FIFO makes that more restrictive. It also affects hedging strategies where traders open both buy and sell positions on the same pair. In many FIFO regulated environments, hedging is not allowed, right? So if your broker enforces FIFO, you need to plan your trades differently. You might need to use fewer entries or manage your positions more carefully. So the key takeaway is to always understand your broker's rules before trading, because they can directly impact your strategy. If you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.